we are the disaster response arm of Cisco. Think hurricanes, tornadoes, natural disaster, stuff like that. Cisco will volunteer us, our team, and our equipment to go out and provide emergency connectivity for public safety, law enforcement, critical infrastructure, schools, hospitals, NGOs, to get them back up and running after disasters. Our boss calls us the paramedics for communications. About 20 years ago, when the team got started, they were originally focused on government support for the military sector. But then Hurricane Katrina came, visited the coast, and at the time, Cisco sent a bunch of engineers and equipment down to New Orleans to help out. But when they got down there, they realized, oh, there's no place dry to set all this up. And a lot of the volunteers, while well-meaning, really weren't prepared for the devastation they were going to see. So Cisco took the Tactical Operations team at the time and retooled it from a military support to more of a humanitarian response organization. And everything we do is free. Cisco just volunteers us out as a way to give back to the world.